Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at the questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades, expand and simplify. If you have been watching the previous videos on this topic, then why not pause and try the question and then compare your answer with mine. 2 marks for this one. It's a good 2 marks. We should all certainly be getting these 2 marks when we get this question right. So we have to expand these brackets, remembering that this word expand, when we see it in an algebra question, means we must multiply. So I'm multiplying everything outside the bracket, which in the first bracket is the 3, by everything inside the bracket. So the first term inside the bracket is an x, so we do 3 times x, which we just write as 3x. Then the next term in the first bracket is a plus 4. I have to consider the plus sign in there. So 3 times plus 4, 3 times plus 4 gives me plus 12 or positive 12. So 3x plus 12 is the expansion of the first bracket. Now the second bracket, outside my bracket, I have a plus 2, a positive 2. We have to think about the sign as well, that's important. Inside the bracket, the first term is the 5x. So positive 2 multiplied by 5x. Positive 2 times a positive 5 is a positive 10. So positive 10x is my next term. Then the next term inside the bracket is a negative 1. So outside the bracket is a positive 2, a plus 2. And inside the bracket is a negative 1. So positive 2 times negative 1, positive times negative gives me a negative, so negative 2. Now I have to simplify, so it makes sense to see what letters we have. First of all, we've got something x there and something x there. We don't have any other letters in there, but we do have numbers on their own, so there's a plus 12 and there's a minus 2. So our final answer is going to be something x and some number. So how many x do we have here? 3 times x, that's a positive 3x, plus 10x, well, positive 3 plus 10 will give me 13. So I've got 13x, and then the numbers, I've got positive 12 and then minus 2. So think about your number line. Start at 12, positive 12. Take away 2, so we go 2 to the left. That will take me to positive 10. So 13x plus 10 is my final answer. Of course, if you see this kind of question on a calculator paper, you should use your calculator to just check your final answers there. 12 minus 2 should give you 10, remembering it's a plus 10, and we have to write down the plus sign. But there are some IGCSE, GCSE papers where there is a non-calculator section in there. There we are, that's a good 2 marks. Learn how to do it. It's the same every time apart from the numbers. Get yourself the marks, get yourself into the grades. If the video was useful to you, please press the like button. Please also press the subscribe button because that's useful to us. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will be back for the next one.